equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and some isopropyl alcohol. First, power off your laptop and unplug it. Remove the screws from the back panel carefully. Keep them in a safe place. Once the panel is off, you'll see the internal components. Use the soft brush to gently remove dust from the fans and heat sinks. This helps improve airflow and cooling. For stubborn dirt, lightly dampen the brush with isopropyl alcohol. Be cautious not to let any liquid drip onto the motherboard. After cleaning, visually inspect for any loose connections or damage. If you notice anything unusual, consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. Reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws. Remember, if you need assistance, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. Regular internal cleaning can extend the life of your laptop and keep it running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.